everyone, it's me Lauren and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a super awesome, really cool little series. And so if you're hearing these weird noises, I'm on FaceTime with my friend Tanai. Say hi.
Put yourself on mute.
See? Yeah, that's Tanai. She's a lovely gal. So, basically, me and her are going to be doing a super awesome, kind of cool series called Spring Breakaway. We got that idea from Brat, so no, we are not stealing. We just thought of it. Yeah, I don't know. So, we are going to be vlogging every day of spring break. So right now we are in the second day of spring break. So we basically still have a week left, which is basically 7 days if you didn't know. But we have a week left of spring break and I am super pumped. And right now, I'm not sure what time it is. Let me check. It is 1:55, about to be 2 o'clock, and I am still in my onesie with my hair looking like a total mess. So, you know, yeah. So, I'm not really 100% sure if I am going to be, vlogging this day and, posting it that day, or vlogging it this day and posting it tomorrow and just, keep going that way. And also, I'm going to incorporate tonight in my videos, and she's going to incorporate me in my videos. So definitely go subscribe to her. And if you just came here from Sinai, please, again, subscribe to me so we can hit 100 by the end of March. And we are now in March, so come on. We're almost there. So basically, that's kind of it. So watching the North Nut. So yeah. Hello. So this is my outfit, since I'm kind of going to be working out and training. So this says, this girl is strong dancer. It doesn't really make any sense, but I mean, it's a really cute shirt and I love the rainbow inside. So that's it. And then I have these really comfortable black shorts. So that's what I'm going to be working out in. So I'll see you when I'm back. That didn't work. Alright, so my hair is done and I put on my outfit. So before I do my little workout and stretch routine, I kind of just want to show you guys. This romper that my mom bought me for a little surprise trip that I cannot tell you about until it is a few days or a few weeks later. Or before, I'm not really sure. Yeah, so this is for a really, why did I say that weird? This is for a really cool trip that I am going on, but I will not tell you until it is time. But we have a few months before. So you're just gonna have to wait, but I know the suspense is killing you. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So my mom bought me this romper. It is gorgeous to me. Okay. Wait, so I'm going to put it here, and I'll just, kind of show you the nice features. But let me close my closet, because I don't want you to see my closet, because it's really disgusting and dirty. But comment down below if you want a closet tour, because if you do, I'll give it to you. So, yeah. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And, oh, wait, yeah. So, it kind of opens right here, but it doesn't show anything, and I love the color because it just looks so beautiful and beachy. And then on the back it has this crisscross, and it's absolutely beautiful. And I got it from art class, and it's basically from Target if you weren't sure about it. And I'm a size 10-12, which is basically a large, and it was only $15. So that's a pretty good deal because it was on clearance. That's what the salesman told me. So yeah. So now I'm gonna go work out and stretch. And I'm gonna try and time-lapse that, but I'm not sure how to. So, I'm just gonna try when I edit. Also, I'm getting Chipotle. Yay! Okay, so I'm here, and I have to be a little quiet because my brother, his room is right there, and he's taking a nap. So I have to be quiet. And my mom right now, she needs some sleep because last night was she was up very late. That's what I was told. So she's like kind of snoozing right now. So I'm gonna be working out. So I'm gonna try and time lapse this. So I'll be back. So this angle is really bad, but I'm just going to be doing some of the stretches that I really need to work on. So please don't judge me for any of this, because stretching is something that not all people are good at, and I'm kind of good at it, kind of bad at it for some stretches. So I'm just going to be kind of working on it. So let's go. Ooh, this hurts so bad. Comment down below if you're flexible. I look so ashy right now. It's so embarrassing, but it's okay. It's okay. My camera's not focusing. There we go. So comment down below if you're flexible, because I am kind of. Oh god, this is gonna take a while, so I'm not really gonna vlog it. I finished my stretching, and I decided not to work out because I'm just one of those lazy kids. Just kidding. I'm just gonna do that later. So right now I'm gonna let my phone charge because right now it's at 24%. So I'm gonna wait till it gets kind of fully charged, maybe to 50. Then I'm going to jam out to some music. So yeah, I'm not sure if I should end this vlog early or vlog the whole day. Because that's going to be a lot of clips. Or I should just make the clips longer. Probably just, I'm going to make the clips longer, but yeah. Also, no, I want to show you guys my tripod on my camera. So I am down in my bedroom and I did cooking up for me because you don't even know. I bet you couldn't understand what I said, could you? So comment down below if you understand what I could have said. I don't either. So my bathroom's a mess, I don't mind it. This is my camera. It is purple, and it has all these stickers on it that just show the cool features. So I'll let you have time to examine that. There's something on my camera. Okay, so yeah. So this is the camera. If you didn't already know, I'm pretty sure you did. And then this is the little thing that you could hold it by. This is the thing that you can go like a film camera, ready, set, action, And then here's my tripod. This tripod was actually meant for my phone, but my mom found a way and put it on my camera. So I'm so happy about that. This is my tripod. It's really soft, and it could just really do everything. So yeah. Also, I have a really awesome, amazing, sorry, that bad angle though. I have a really awesome, amazing thing that I could do right now, which is do my nails. These fake nails. Okay, so I'm a dancer. I'm not allowed to have fake nails, but since I'm on spring break, I'm not going to dance because I think it's closed. I'm not sure. But there was this one class that I could attend, but I didn't want to. So, and plus, I was already going to go to dance that night, so I'm not really going to do that. So, I'm just going to put on some fake nails. And it's kind of hard for them to stay. It is so hard for them to stay on. It kind of bugs me so much. So, this is the one nail that I've always been begging to stay on. And, it never does. And it always kills my vibe. So, you're just going to put this one on because I heard the door. So I'm guessing it's my grandmother with Chipotle. And so, yeah. I only get the Chipotle chips. So this might turn into a mukbang. So if you don't like mukbangs, oh god, that almost fell off. If you don't like mukbangs, then just skip to this time signature. I'm not even sure if I'll put it on there. Sometimes I get so lazy when I'm editing. But I shouldn't do that. And I don't have an Apple computer, so I don't edit with iMovie, and I absolutely adore Annie Rose and her editing, and it's so hard for me to do that. But you know, I work with what I have. I'm not like a little spoiled brat that said, I want to have a computer and I get it. No, that's not me. I'm glad with the HP thing, yeah, HP computer I have, so my nail is on, but it's gonna fall off, don't worry. So now it's time for me to go get my chips. And my chips are here. None of y'all want to be on the vlog, do you? I know you don't. You don't want to be on the vlog.
Who are you talking to?
My vlog. Yeah. Well, they don't want to be on the vlog, so I'm not going to show them. But it's my mother. The nail fell off again. Oh, no. My bow fell off. The bow fell off. Well, to be honest, I got these from Five Below, so it's okay. And my grandmother's right there.
You need just get a few. You don't need them all.
You want it? See, like, I'll show you their food. It's absolutely disgusting. So this is my mother's food. It's so nasty. She's gonna pour that on. It's disgusting. And this is my grandmother's food. Yuck. I know. So, I'm gonna enjoy my chips. So I am on FaceTime, and are you ready, Kaylee?
Yeah.
Okay, let me turn on the camera. She's pretty fun. That's Kaylee. That's cute. See? She's really cool and awesome and funny, and she has like the best grades you could ever think of. So like definitely.
No, I don't. But
Okay. Yeah, but I'm just on the FaceTime. I'm on FaceTime with Kaylin. You know, we're talking about nothing, so I'll do that. Okay, so this is just like a little disclaimer. This vlog is literally just like all over the place. So, I'm thinking about vlogging all day or kind of like just ending it in a few hours. So I might just vlog all day. But I say go to this time signature if you don't want to watch me do the mukbang. But I never finished, I never filmed me doing the mukbang. So, like, yeah, basically, this vlog is just all over the place. But again, this is day 1 of spring break away from Lauren. But this is day 2 of spring break, so yeah. But I'm sorry that this vlog is all over the place. Just deal with me though. Okay, so right now I'm hiding from my mom and my grandma. They don't know that I've been here. I'm watching a video. Oh my God, it's like a little scavenger hunt / brain. I'm out of breath because I just went outside. And it's freezing cold. I'm not getting sick, I swear. Well, I don't swear, but I'm not getting sick, okay? Alright, so I'm gonna get Panda Express for dinner, and if you can't hear me, there will be subtitles at the bottom, so just, yeah. I'll be back. Okay, so right now my grandmother, I think she's... Okay, guys, so these few clips you are about to see are just like... Well, like, there's only like 3 clips, but these clips are like the worst thing ever. They're not the best quality or anything. They're something stupid that I thought I could film that would be interesting. So just like, don't really think about this. Please and thank you. Peace. So like, I'm just gonna have to keep the camera rolling, but he doesn't want to be on camera, so just hold on. Sorry about that TV in the background. That's stupid stuff like Racket TV. Okay, so she's like, I'm ready for her to like get out because I need to prank this lady. Like, oh my god, like I'm this. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, my plan did not work. You're going to go deliver something to someone, so I'm not going to go. Actually, come on. Come on. That's beautiful. Bye. So guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to follow you. I'm going to be very secretive about my camera right now because I don't want to show my address. So I'm going to try and sneak into the car, even though this is already stupid, but you know. Oh, look at my body. I'm a wavy, cause I'm a fool. You know I like food, you know it's yummy. So I will never, ever, ever eat that food. You know, I don't know how to, yeah. It's actually not as cool as I thought. So, peace. Guys, can somebody tell me what this is? Wait, I zoomed in way too much. Like, is that poop? That's disgusting, and like, it's in my own backyard. Like, no ma'am. No ma'am. Like, okay, just, That's an eye. She's a very weird kid. Oh, really? That's how, okay. She's a very weird, but nobody wants to see that. Nobody wants to see that. Okay, I'm just kidding. So, come on, camera, focus, focus. So, I just did little things in my journal. So, it says YouTube goals. YouTube goals. See? YouTube goals. So, basically, this has my first milestone and the date, my second milestone and the date, my third milestone and the date, and then my YouTube tracker. So this is terrible handwriting, so don't, look at it that much. But it's March 10th, which is today, and 69 subscribers, so in a week we'll see how many I've gained. So yeah, that's basically what I have. Bye. Uploading a video. Well guys, it is super dark and my camera is close to dying, and I got Panda Express and I was so hungry that I couldn't vlog it, and again this vlog is all over the place, so I'm just gonna end it right here, and I'm so lazy right now because I don't want to edit it, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I just posted a video. So go watch that. It's already up. By the time you see this, it'll already be up. Probably past now because I posted a few videos. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know. So, fun fact, I'm very busy this weekend. Well, this week and kind of weekend. So there will be a lot of fun things to do that you will see when I vlog. So I love you guys. Please subscribe and turn on those post notifications. So you will be the first one to watch my videos. Peace.